Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the only eyebrow tutorial you're ever gonna need, okay? I'm gonna take a shot. Why not? You know, it's quarantine. Don't judge me if my eyebrows do come out crazy. I'm one of those people that I can't take a shot without a chaser. I'm not sorry either. What constitutes as a shot? Because, ooh, girl. I think that's a shot. My boyfriend would laugh in my face. This is my chaser, by the way. If you don't have this juice, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Okay. That wasn't that bad. Ooh. Ooh, it's burning my chest a little. Now that we've taken a shot, we've loosened up, we are ready to do our eyebrows. There are a few things you are going to need to do your eyebrows. Not a lot. You watching all those videos, they tell you to take 10, 20 million steps. You don't need it, I promise you. You need an eye pencil. I am cheap. I like my eye pencils from the beauty store. This is a dark brown. Next, you're going to need a spoolie. You can find spoolies at the beauty supply store as well. The next thing you are going to need are your concealers. I am a dark skin mommy, so what I'm going to want is one that is lighter, a lighter concealer, and a concealer that is actually my color. I'm using e.l.f. in the color Deep Cinnamon. What the I don't know nobody. I'm just going to give you a swatch so you can see what it looks like. What that's going to do is going to give me the illusion that my eyebrows are freshly waxed or threaded. Okay? I'm going to use a concealer in my color. This concealer is from NARS. I freaking love this. Like, NARS products, y'all have my heart, for real. Dark Cafe. And this one is my skin color to a T. See, you can't even tell. Like, that is my skin color. So, we have our eyebrow pencil. We have our spoolie. We have our two concealers that we're going to use. And then we're going to have our two brushes. These brushes are so important to have, okay? You can get these brushes at Target. I actually got these brushes at Ulta. BH Cosmetics. They're really good. I'm sure you could get it on Amazon as well. The first brush you're going to need is an angled brush. Okay, y'all? Angled brush. Second brush you're going to need is a foundation brush. Pore blur. Okay? This is for all my ladies with the big pores. Sometimes my pores get really big, so you want this as well. That's all you need to do your eyebrows, alright? Should I take another shot? I like this spot. What is this? Barbados rum, because it's not as harsh as the Jamaican rum. That Jamaican rum, whoo. I feel like if you have coronavirus, the Ray and nephew, knock it out. Immediately. All this rum getting to me. 2 shots. We in this beach. You're going to want to start on a clean, fresh face. If you do not have good lighting, do not do your eyebrows. Don't do it because you're going to step outside and you're going to be mad at yourself. So the first thing I'm going to use is my pore blur. This pore blur is also from Ulta Revolution. Next, if you haven't got your eyebrows done in a long time, which I'm sure you haven't, because we all stuck, you're going to go in with your spoolie brush. And you are just going to brush those unruly hairs. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your eyebrow pencil. Mine is in dark brown. You get yours depending on your skin color, what look you're going for. And make sure it's sharpened. You're going to do light strokes. Light. Not across. Light. Okay? And I actually like to start from a little bit right where my eyeball starts because I like to give it more of a blended effect. Remember, light strokes, light strokes, light strokes. You're going to keep going all the way to the end of your eyebrow. Please do not make dark strokes towards the end because it looks disgusting. Now, a very important process. Take your spoolie brush and you're just going to blend your light strokes in from the front all the way to the end. También. Next thing we're gonna go in and use is our angled brush and our light concealer. Now remember, our light concealer is to make our eyebrows look like we just came out the shop. So what I like to do is I like to just not put too much, just get a nice little coating on each side. So we start, and you know, you just gently, lightly make a line, make a line, make a line, keep going straight, make a line. So now you say, Alana, how do I get that nice arch? I got you. Take this hand, you go ahead and you lift it up to the highest point of your eyebrow, and you're gonna lift it. Once you lift it, you see that little Cruella de Vil thing right there? That's what we want. So we're gonna go here, and we're just gonna go into that, go in, out. I hope that made sense. What you're going to want to do is, it's such an important part, you're going to want to draw down that concealer. Because I hate when I see like really packed on concealer under an eyebrow. It drives me nuts. So we're going to draw down that concealer just like this, draw down. And I like to give a little, you know, a little just to make sure. Going with our foundation brush, this is very important. You see how it's already looking like bam, bam. We're just gonna draw this down, we're gonna blend this out. Please make sure you don't blend out your eyebrow, just gonna blend out what's below it. Alright, okay. I'm loving it already. Mira, look at that. Woo! Should we take another shot?
Relax.
Okay, now we're gonna go in with our skin color, the concealer that is actually our skin color. I'm going in with my NARS Dark Cafe. I'm gonna go ahead and use the same technique that I use. It's very important to follow the line. Again, always with the shorter part towards the back, longer part towards the front. And we're just going to go a straight line across. This is going to take some time to master, but I promise you, you have enough time. We all sitting here doing nothing. Right? Now we made that straight line across. We want to cut it down a little bit so we can really define that arch we made at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and just follow that line down. Okay, I'm going to lift my little Nick Cannon tech hat a little up. We're going to draw it, all this concealer up, draw it up, because we want to make sure it's blended. I need a face mask. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and after we draw it up, we're going to take our foundation brush and we're going to blend that bad boy out. Blend it out, blend it out. Please make sure you blend this out as well as you can, because I hate seeing those photos where you can see where the eyebrow was created. No. We're going to put some foundation all the way to the top of our forehead. And we're going to go ahead and just blend that bad boy out. Okay, and then the last part is we're going to take that same concealer that's our skin color, and we're going to put it all on our eyelid. This can be used as your base to make your eye look a bit more creamier if you want. If you don't want it a bit more creamier, why am I hated people who used to hold the pencil like this. Like, what? That's a good eyebrow. Whoa. Whoa. Do they both arch up at the same time? That's my eyebrow tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. We're on the road to 1,000. road to 1,000. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, hit that bell so you know when I post a new video. That's all I have to say.